This is Maximalist Investor. Today's video is about how to mint your first NFT on OpenSea. So without any delay, let's start. First of all, go to the Chrome or any Web3 browser and open OpenSea.io. On the right upper corner of the website, click on the profile. There are multiple wallet options, but I prefer to select MetaMask wallet. We are also uploading a separate video on the MetaMask, how to create MetaMask wallet. Once you click on the MetaMask, pop-up window will appear. You will see steps to connect MetaMask with OpenSea account. Click every time on next and it will be done. Now let's talk about how to create your first OpenSea collection and how to create items to mint NFT. Firstly, click on create new item. Step 1 will be to write your NFT name. Next, mention any external links like the website. Then write NFT description like gender, variation, size, etc. Then describe collection. For example, what type of collection is this? Now mention properties. This is the most attractive and important section. Here you will mention feature, age, class, color variation of your NFT. Add unique properties to make your NFT more appealing. Next, mention blockchain on which your NFT is built, like polygon, etc. Finally, click on create. When every requirement is filled, congratulations, your collection is created. Same procedure is followed for the item creation. Multiple item sales options like fixed and time auctions are available. Mention price of your NFT. 2.5% collection fee will be deducted to support OpenSea. Click on finish. Wallet initialize window will open. OpenSea will tell you estimated fee which will be deducted from your ETH wallet. That's all. Your NFT is live. Welcome to OpenSea family. Thank you.